In this video, we are going to look at the viewer. For the viewer to work, we obviously need to first select and load a case. And the viewer can be opened either through the desktop, through the viewer, or the widget can also be opened on the side panel here. For the viewer to work, the viewer always works in conjunction with the grid. So if I open my grid, I can open my viewer, and then I can select a file. If I select a image document like a JPEG, it will load the image automatically in the graphics tab. In case the image is too large to be shown in the window, I can adjust the image to either fit horizontally or fit vertically. If I select for example, a Word document or any other document type, it will show the document as a PDF version. In the background, Quincy will render or convert the Word document into a web viewable form, which is then displayed as a rendered PDF version. For text-based documents, I have also different other options to display this document. I can, for example, display a Word document in its text-only format. So without any formatting, I can just look at the text of a document. For emails, if I select an email, the email is also displayed as a PDF document per default. Obviously, as emails are also text-based, I can also use the text tab to display only the text-based information. Emails can also be displayed as HTML files, where I can see the header information of an email. Any document I have, I can also redact or annotate. To do so is I have to select the PDF tab, which is for emails automatically selected. And instead of the rendered version, I'm going straight into the select straight the PDF version of it. If I do so, I get this toolbox where I can either write the text on the document, can choose the color, and then write something into the document to annotate it. For redactions, I can select this icon, which says redact area, select my color again, for example blue, and can then just drag a box across the text I want to hide. If I want to burn this into the PDF document, I have to click Save. I can also undo redactions, but just simple click on them and select the bin item to delete them again. If I select media files would be shown in the Media tab. If I have files which are analyzed through Cerberus, I have a Cerberus tab, which would show me the results for Cerberus, for the Cerberus analysis. I can also display the documents as hex. I also have specific tabs for registry or looking at the metadata of a file. I can also look at the status of a file. The status will show me in what tabs I can possibly look at this document. So for example, I can look at it as the first page preview. In Quincy Processing, I can select to render the first pages of all documents automatically, so that the viewer is more responsive. And the status of the first page preview will show me it is loaded from cache. It will also show me that a PDF version is available or a graphic version, HTML, and so on. There is also a history tab, which shows me the history of a document. Who viewed a document? What is the history of a document? So in this case, for example, my user, just in case, he viewed the document on the 16th of April at a specific time. For this document, for example, we can see that just in case opened this document 3 times and he viewed it. The last I want to talk about is the spreadsheets. Quincy can also load spreadsheets and display spreadsheets. So if I select a spreadsheet, it will actually show me the spreadsheet like it is displayed, for example, in Excel. This is a huge advantage. So for fields which only have numbers, this spreadsheet is not very meaningful because I can read it out of the field itself. But for example, if I have any formulas within the document, Quincy allows me to actually look at the formula directly from Quincy. There is also always a PDF rendered version of the document. So this is literally just a PDF file where I can see or read the document, the spreadsheet. One last thing, I don't have to open the viewer through the viewer widget. Any object in the grid has a icon, so the first icon, which says View File. If I click on View File, it will automatically open the viewer from within the grid. This is the viewer widget. I hope this was helpful and see you next time.